Hey guys, LechK here, in the middle of finishing the roof of my sauna build, and I wanted to quickly talk about shingles and the plastic strip that's on the back of them. Do you remove that or do you not? Per manufacturer specs, you actually don't remove it. This is a protective strip so your shingles don't stick together when they're being shipped and stored in these packages. As you see, you have the tar strip on top of each shingle, so when the shingles sit on top of each other, you nail them down, that from the sun it glues down, right? Now when you ship them together, you sit on top of the tar strip. This strip prevents on the back from them sticking. So yes, you can technically remove it if you want to, but it's really not necessary, and it just peels off. It's plastic. Some of them will actually say do not even remove on it. So you think that this will help stick, but that's why you're nailing it down. So long story short, don't remove it. Don't waste your time. It's not necessary. Some people will say, yes, you need to. And I believe that's from like the 50s or 60s or something, when there was a rage for self-sealing shingles, meaning that you had a strip on the back that basically, for them to be self-sealing, you had to peel off the tape, the shingles sit on top of each other and glue each other down, and that was it. It's a little bit different now, a little more modern. We're using nails, other methods, better quality shingles. So yeah, long story short, guys, don't need to remove the strip. Go with it as it is. It probably helps little reinforcements as well when you're nailing them down, or whatever. But that's what I found out. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have feedback for others, please share. Comments below. Follow my channel. Check out the sauna build. Check out the whole process of how to shingle your shed roof or whatever. I have a video coming out on that. And thanks for watching, guys.